CL scalp trade approaching.
Morning, folks. Today is February the 26th. It's currently 8:25 in the morning. As you guys can see, my Ninja was restarted. My computer actually did another update. I really got to figure this out. I just keep putting it off, but computer restarted, so obviously my Ninja had to be restarted as well. Anyway, we'll just keep pushing along here. I'm not going to worry about it. And as you guys can see, the market's been making some nice swings. The trade room had this print here. A lot of people took it. Everybody got the first and second profit targets filled, which is always a good thing. So now we're just waiting for my first print. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Again, I'm trying to keep these videos under 10 minutes long, so I'll pause it and be back with you guys shortly. I just went through the trade room chat and I saw that the vendor had taken this trade here. As you guys can see, he entered way up here on this low volume node, which was right here. So the market came back up to this level. He got filled on this low volume node level right here, and as you can see, right now he has a stop right here, but the market came down quite nicely. Let me see where that level is. That's a high volume node where it turned, so that is right. I'm assuming that's right here. So he had his stop right here at this level. So that was definitely a nice trade. There it is there. Alright, just wanted to show that to you guys here. I'll be back shortly.
Order filled.
Alright guys, we just got excuse me, we just got filled on our first trade. We'll see what happens here. Gonna be patient here on this one. As you guys can see, well, I'm not sure if you can see it, but at this level right here, so it's right at our first take profit level, we have a bit of support right there. So if the market can push back down to that level, we should see some interesting play here.
Target filled.
Alright, that's our first target hit. We'll see what the market decides to do here. We have been getting some larger moves, so I'm hoping the market decides to continue pushing down.
Stop filled.
Alright, so we didn't get it this time. We do have a selling low volume node right here. Could have placed my stop behind that. And I know other people that don't move their stop to break even +1 until they hit their second take profit level. So that's something else for me to consider in the future as well. But like I said, we do have this level of support right here. As you can see, market came down to it, bounced off of it, and look at that. Would have just had that second take profit hit. So I really have to do some work with this. Definitely got to do some work with this, folks. Got to start managing these trades better. And basically, if I have to, just take a scratch trade or something, because look at that move. Just ridiculous. That is a beautiful move. So yeah, I'm a little annoyed that I didn't just move my stop to right here. From 93 down to 57. Alright, nothing we can do about it now. Just definitely going to have to continue working on trade management. Alright, be back with you guys on the next print. Alright guys, we got another sell print here.
Order filled.
Alright guys, as you can see here, currently in the middle of this.
Crude oil trade.
Wow, what's that about? We do have this level right here. It seems to be holding, so hopefully the market will come back down. And what you guys see here is from way back here. I'm not even sure how far back it goes. Hopefully we'll find it. Here it is right here. This is the buying zone from way back there. So as you can see, it's held, so we're gonna,
Target filled.
there it is, beautiful. So that got hit. We'll see what we can do here. I'm gonna move my stop to just above this level. As you guys can see, I did move my second take profit down to the last level. Typically we got 1, 2, 3, but I'm going to leave a bit of a wider stop here. I'm hoping this level holds. Just testing out different things, folks. If that holds, the market should reverse, hit this level here. What I really need to see is the market push through this buying zone that we have here. And of course, there's no telling if it will, but hopefully it will. If it crosses through this blue line here on this next bar, then obviously I'd say we're going to push up. I'm hoping that's not the case. Because if we can break this, we should have a nice push down. Let's see what this next bar is going to do. Hopefully we won't get taken out before it pops up. We're at break even right now. We need this next bar to be a nice push down to get us through this level.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Alright, let's see what we can do here. Ah, shoot. I don't want it to be on that side. Let's go ahead and tick this back up here.
Target filled.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, now we hit our first, second take profit. So we'll go ahead and move it up to break even. Our next take profit is way down here. As you guys can see, the high volume node is right here, so I'm hoping that's going to act as some resistance for us. We'll just wait and see.
CL scalp trade approaching.
If not, that's no problem. We're basically in a free trade right now. Not risking anything.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Alright, so stop got hit there. You guys can see we made a little money on that. Hey, I didn't manage this trade better. It only went, let me see, from 88 up to what, 91 or 90. That can't be right. Let's see, from 88 to 90. Wow, okay. So I had a super tight stop on this one. It only went 2 ticks against us. I could have caught this entire
CL
move
scalp trade approaching.
if I had been managing that better. Anyway, can't complain now. What's done is done. Alright, we're now at 12 minutes here, so let me go ahead and pause it. Actually, it looks like we have a buying low volume node right here. So that could provide some support for the market. So hopefully if we
CL
do get,
scalp trade approaching.
and we got a buying zone now. Alright, so hopefully we'll be able to push through all this and the high volume node when we get our next short print. Looks like we might be setting up for a short print here. Let me go ahead and pause it. Be back with you guys shortly. Hey folks, I just wanted to show you this low volume node right here. I was considering taking this trade, but I'm just gonna watch them for now, or maybe take use one contract to trade them. But as you guys can see, market came up, made a higher high, and then came back down to this low volume node. We would have been filled at 56. 56, okay. And our first take profit level
CL scalp trade approaching.
would have been at 66. So we're going to see. So right there. All right, and our stop would have been 10. So these are 1-to-1. So 56 down to 46 would be our stop. Right there. Now we can see what would have happened here. Obviously we hit a little buying patch. Market stuttered right here. We'll see if it continues pushing up or if it goes down here. I'm going to pause it and I'll be back once one of these levels gets hit. Hey folks, we just had this trade right here. I happened to miss it. Tried to get my orders in time, but wasn't able to. Market came down, and it never came back up enough for us to get entered into this trade. So that's a bit annoying. We haven't come up to our stop yet, so I do have time, I think, to possibly put a sell and a limit in, but I'm gonna let it be. Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Hey guys, just wanted to show you what would have happened on our trade here. As you can see,
CL scalp trade approaching.
it did come up to our take profit level. Market did go against us a little bit and actually came within 1 tick of taking us out. but it reversed and came back up. Basically a reverse based on this high volume node that you guys can see here. And this high volume node is also why we would have just barely got our first take profit. Let me catch that. I'll be back with you guys a little later. Hey folks, I just wanted to show you another trade the vendor's in right now. As you can see, that low volume node trade I was talking about a moment ago, he actually entered on that trade. And here he is here in the market. His stop's right here, so it's down at about this level. And his first take profit, actually, let me see, where does he have his first take profit at? Looks like he took his first take profit right here, and he has 3 still open. So he took off a little bit here. Let me see what level that's at. That was right here before this got broken. So that's at 49.72, and he still has 3 contracts in on this trade. Alright, so it's obviously profitable for him as well. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys what was going on with that. Alright, be back shortly. We got about 30 more minutes of trading to go. Guys, we just got a buy print, but I'm going to follow the vendor's advice, and that was not to take any long trades until the market breaks this level. You guys should have saw that on that screenshot that I just showed you. So it would have been filled on that trade. Stop would have been right here.
CL scalp trade approaching.
We really want to see the market bust through this level before we take a long, so we're going to continue waiting here. As you can see, the market's come up to it once, twice, 3 times, and now 4 times. So that level is held quite nicely. Alright, I'm going to pause it and be back with you guys shortly.
Filled.
Alright guys, we just got filled.
Target filled.
Hopefully we'll be able to make another higher high here.
Target filled.
There it is. As you guys can see, we have this little buy zone here and a naked low volume node. Hopefully this will hold. If it does, this will count as a little pullback for me, and hopefully the market will continue pushing up. What time is it? 9:45. This is going to be my last trade, so if we get sorry about that. If we get taken out here, I'll be done. But we're currently at 19 minutes. And that's a interesting bar. Opened up here, went down, closed right back up at the top. Come on, keep pushing up, keep pushing up. Don't come down here. One tick away from being stopped out. I know you want to keep going up. The market wants to push up. I know it does. It wants to keep pushing up. At least I hope it does. We'll see here.
CL scalp trade approaching.
We got a down bar. Hopefully we'll get a nice up bar here. Our stop is already right at this low here. Right at the low of this bar. So if we keep pushing up, we don't have to do any adjustments. Let me check the 2 minute. Nothing to stop us from going higher. It's just if the
Stop
market wants
filled.
to. Alright, market decided not to.
CL scalp trade approaching.
No complaints. And I thought we'd be in that trade longer. As you guys can see, it's 9:47 now. So let's wait and see what happens here. I'm going to pause it, be back shortly. And I forgot to mention, as you guys can see, the market did eventually break this level on this bar right here.
CL scalp
If you
trade
recall this
approaching.
print. So if we would have got in on this trade, it would have been successful, but it could have just as easily turned and reversed on us. So again, no issue skipping it. I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, we got a sell print right here. I'm pretty much just watching the market right now. We'll see what it does. I'm done for the day. We only got 4 minutes until my 10 o'clock hour hits. We'll see what this one does. We can check the 2 minute. As you can see, we have a low volume node right there at 49.74. So we'll see if it holds or if it pushes through it to that first profit target. And the only reason I'm recording this one, since I'm not going to take it, is because I want to see how many trades did well today. I typically would have started, well, let's say around 8 o'clock somebody would start. Alright, so here we have a trade. That would have been a winner. And we have another trade here, a second. That would have been a winner. Third, that would have been a winner. Fourth trade would have hit our first take profit. That would have been a winner. Another trade here. Again, never came down to our stop. That would have been a beautiful winner there. Another winner right here. So basically, the entire day, the scalp trades have been just shooting out winner after winner after winner. And so we're going to see if this last print is going to let us end with 100% winning prints today. So basically it just has to get through this buy zone here. Alright guys, as you can see, first profit target just got hit. No telling if it's going to continue pushing down, but yeah, that's 100% winning prints today. Obviously I didn't manage my trades as good as I should have, because I should have had a much larger winning day today, but it is what it is. I'm still learning here. But as you guys can see, we had a pretty good day. Could have been better, but still pretty good. Alright, 25-minute long video, so let me go ahead and shut this down now. See you guys tomorrow.